but same time I write for some very nice illustration. This kind of beautiful illustration.
Yeah, let me see this. Can I meet her?
It's you can meet.
Yeah, in a moment when I will describe, you will imagine yourself.
And this is the one Rubai after this. Yeah, I love the Iranian way of the writing. Ey hüsnü güzel cezbedar saki. Ey hüsnü güzel, hüsnü gül.
Hüsnü güzel,
Hüsnü gül, cezbedar saki.
Cezbedar saki.
Tut şarabini keyfi bal livinde. Tut şarabini keyfi bal livinde. Boldu bes, layıpıştı camını koy. Çankak livim, içip kanmısın keyfi de. Yeah, it's translate is not funny, but it's I will try to guys you.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's say that this is you see this painting is drawn by one contemporary, very famous illustrator from Iran. He is most popular in the world, drawing this kind of illustration. And this is a beauty, lady like Umar Khayyam's poem. Dancing with wine bottle and adah jam.
Yes.
You can see from here, and I said, oh, beauty, like good,
Like flower.
like a flower. Please give me a cup of wine. Put şarabini keyfi bal living with not with your lips. Throw away your cups which you made by the clays. I don't like it. Let me drink it forever with
Your
this
lips.
tasty things. This is as he wants to she right. Yeah, this is the way you only can have it.
Yes, you can meet.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is one, and the second one is more beautiful. This is drawn by one Italian artist, and this is amazing painting. You will be crazy if you see it, and you have to write it something. Otherwise, you're born for nothing.
Yeah. The next inspiration. The next inspiration, isn't it?
Umar Khayyam also writing such things. So I not compare myself.
So
with
things
him, but
inspire
inspiration.
you.
You get inspiration from something, like some feeling or something happened to you, like feels good, like so you get inspiration from there, and then it's
Now I can read for you my writings on this painting. Like this. Kiçe şirette kılıp huzur kökkendi mey piyonige. Başladı mey çimen ara kılıp serkuş hayat feyzini. Selip ışık oti riştini karangu kiçe nerededir? Eylül şırmışıp akbılık visal ve lezzet. This is a saying at the evening when we are gathering to start to drink a wine. The wine brought me into the deep of this nahr, the river, stream. Yeah. Selip ishqi oti. To take my love, muhabbat, ashq, take it to my dream. Eyledi içirmişip akbelip yisalı lezzetini. And in my dream, I am with you like the snakes, which
Wrap
hugging
around.
each other.
Yeah, wrap around.
Very good.
Very.
Yeah, there are so many. You can say from Facebook, it's like writing for art. And then there's Ghazal. It's more funny.
So what is another part?
You can sing it. The whole poem is not you can sing it as a song, but this one you can sing as a song. That's why we call it a Ghazal. This is more interesting one. I never write long things, but this is a little bit long story for that. Her bir sözün bir desti gül, kör, yürügünde oyulardın cım. Gülge aşk bulbul sayraydı her tanda, men mi küyleymen kalbimde bir sana. Hiclimen her körgünümde mecnun yüzünü, mum bilen bana baktan ot gözüm. Hiç kanmaz men bassam bağrımda seni, uzun ilikide söylesem yemişler şerbet devin. Veslige yetmek o aşıklık bağıdın emes. Bu judalık hem yalnız sen bilen bana emes. Aşk bağıdı meşhur Emra bilen börülqa. Sen bilen memnun uladı hiç yalnız emes.
The rhythm is very beautiful. You can make sense from this.
That's why I say it to you.
Yeah, the meaning we don't understand the meaning, but the rhythm.
I write it first and I took this photo myself to switch to this Ghazal. So,
So what is the gist of that? What the ghazal do that? What is the kind of gist of that?
yes,
In English.
its meaning, I have a lover. We love each other very much. I always shame on me when we met, when she looked at my eye. I cannot answer for her, but only I can do is the sweet kiss. This kind of love and this kind of separation, miserable separation, is not only started with you and me, but this is tradition of like Hamra and the Hurlqa, one of the very famous dastan in the past. Hamra, a boy's name, and the Hurlqa, a girl's name. Like that. Yeah. And this was for us from them. And don't worry, not only you me as separated like this one. It's the whole general meaning of the background. Of course you love so many people, but you can't marry with them, right? So you have to answer sometime for some questions, direct or some other way of non-direct.
Yes.
It's the answers for your life.
I have a poem for you, and by Dalit, I will request your attention. It's a poem, and basically, I have written it in January 1998. 1998. So about 15 years.
When I was a kid.
Yeah. When I was a kid, actually, yeah.
88, not 20.
1998.
Oh, right, okay.
It's the 22nd of January 1998. So it is about, it's against this romantic, and it's like a message. You wrote a story, and this is like a message, and it's about this boy and girl. They have been separated, and boy is writing a message for the girl that if ever you come back, what you will see. So the boy is writing and explaining to her beloved that. So I will read it to and I will try to translate it if I could. So what he says कि कभी लौट के आना तो देखना, कभी लौट के आना तो देखना, मैंने क्या क्या हिसाब संभाल रखा है। कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने क्या क्या हिसाब संभाल रखा है, तमाम गुनाह सब सवाब संभाल रखा है। मैंने तेरी यादें ही नहीं अपना एक एक ख्वाब संभाल रखा है। So what it means कैसे, if ever you come back, you will see what I have saved in my dream. So what it's saying that I have saved all the sins, all the rewards. Thank you. I've saved all the sins and rewards, and I haven't lost anything. I have saved your beautiful memories, and I have saved all my dreams. So that's what this means. And then it goes के कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने वसल की मुसर्रतें, कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने वसल की मुसर्रतें, इंतज़ार की बेकरारी, हिजर का अजाब संभाल रखा है, मैंने एक ख्वाब संभाल रखा है। So if you ever come back, you will see I have saved all the players of our meetings. I've saved all the players of our meeting, and I have saved all the restless of your waiting. So when you wasn't with me and I was waiting for you and I was restlessly waiting for you, so all those feelings I have saved. I haven't lost it. And it says that all the pain of our separation I have saved. So when you come back, you will see I have saved all my dreams. And by Dalit, it says, it goes on like, then it says कि कभी लौट के आना तो देखना, कभी लौट के आना तो देखना मैंने यादों में तेरी नशीली आंखें, लंबी जुल्फें, तेरा सर कद, तेरी मस्त चाल, तेरी वारफ्तगी, तेरा इज्तिनाब संभाल रखा है, मैंने एक एक ख्वाब संभाल रखा है। If you ever come back, you will see that in my memories I have saved, the image of your beautiful eyes. In my memories I have saved the image of your beautiful eyes and your long hair and your cuts, your tall build,
figure.
your tall figure, your elegant walk, and your spontaneousness when you used to come to meet me, and your hesitation when sometimes you were reluctant and hesitant, and another time you were spontaneous. Yes. I have saved all those things in my memory. I haven't lost it. And then in the last, it says, in the end it says कि कभी लौट के आना तो देखना, कभी लौट के आना तो चलेंगे उसी राह पर, कभी लौट के आना तो चलेंगे उसी राह पर, किसी शाम सुहानी को गवाह बना के नदी के पानी को, मैं दिखाऊंगा तुम्हें
Scarf here? Scarf?
This one?
Is there any
Thanks.
कभी लौट के आना तो चलेंगे उसी राह पर, and it is a reference to special paths. चलेंगे उसी राह पर, किसी शाम सुहानी को गवाह बना के नदी के पानी को, क्यों हुआ था जिसे हम दोनों ने, मैं दिखाऊंगा तुम्हें, मैंने मोहब्बत की निशानी वो सुर्ख गुलाब संभाल रखा है, मैंने एक एक ख्वाब संभाल रखा है। So it says that if you ever come back, I will take you on the same path you used to go, and where once we
On the sides of
the stream, the side of the canal, on the stream, where we used to go,
We'll go for walk.
we go for
With the
walk again.
grandparents.
And I will show you that once, what we did, that as a token of our love, as a memory of your love, I have saved that flower which we both plucked once from the side of the stream. Both of us kissed that flower. I haven't lost that flower. I've still saved it, with me as a token of your love. If you ever come back,
Lovely.
you'll see that.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Where is she now? Where is she now?
Where is she? Well,
She in Kashmir.
no.
She's waiting for visa.
Well,
She cannot pass the English test.
well, you will be surprised she is in the UK.
Yeah,
You will be
right.
surprised she is in the UK.
Okay, so then there is a possibility.
No, but unfortunately there's no possibility.
Then you throw away the flower again. No, I don't need now.
UK is a
I hope you like
cruel
it.
place. UK is a cruel place. I have two there.
Yes.
You have to do it.
Start.
ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਸ ਤੱਕਿਆ ਸੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਗਏ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਸ ਤੱਕਿਆ ਸੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਗਏ ਖੂਹ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਬੋਕਾ ਕੱਢਣਿਆ ਘਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਣੀ ਲਟਣਿਆ ਸਿਰਾਂ ਪਰ ਚੀਲਾ ਕਰਨਿਆ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਛਪਾਣਾ ਚਾਹਣੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸਣਿਆ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਬੋਕੇ ਕੱਢੇ ਸੱਚੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਸੁੱਚੇ ਆਸੇ ਚੱਖੇ ਸੱਚੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਸੁੱਚੇ ਆਸੇ ਚੱਖੇ ਕਦੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਟੇਕਾ ਕਦੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਕਦੇ ਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੁਲਿਆ ਪਰ ਉਹ ਆਸਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਿਆ ਕੱਲ ਉਹ ਮਿੱਕੀ ਫਿਰ ਮਿਲੀ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਸ ਸਟੈਪ ਕੱਲ ਉਹ ਮਿੱਕੀ ਫਿਰ ਮਿਲੀ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਫੈਕਟਰੀ ਨੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਬੱਸ ਸਟੈਪ पर मैं उस कोल गया वो आसा मंगया अपने काले कोटे पर उस चिट्टा रूह छंडिया अपने काले कोटे पर उस चिट्टा रूह छंडिया ओ असी दो मंगेतर आसे रोए
दो
मंगेतर आसे रोए खुआ पर उन मोटर लगी गई
Okay, translate करो उनके ना.
Oh, मजे.
All right, okay. This is about a memory that I remember her smile when she took water out of the well, when she put it in the pitcher, and when she settled her head covering, showing what she wanted to conceal. And then after that, I've been to so many places, I've seen so many beauties, and in villages and in the cities, but never forgotten that smile. Yesterday, I saw her again. She was outside of factory on a bus stop. I went to her and asked for the same smile. She did try, but two exiled smiles cried, and the well is installed a motor on it now.
More pump.
The last bit, if you don't mind me, when he says Mangetar exiled smile, because he came to UK as well and she came to UK as well, but both of them married to each other instead of married some, so that means Mangetar, so,
You understand better than that.
Yes.
So,
Two forced marriages. Two forced
I
marriages.
have a ghazal and I will, this is again, again the theme is, romantic, but it's like because I'm grown up now, and this was written last year.
Okay.
Okay, then let's
So it is not like as because it was written last year, so it's not like intensely in love story now, but it is like more other things that came up, and it's like psychology and like few other things which came in as well. So I hope you read me. It's a bit longer, but I will always read selective verses from here. So it starts, and again it's ghazal, so where every verse on its own will have its own meaning. It's not necessarily connected with previous one.
Okay.
It's one expression in one, and then
in one couplet.
yeah, and one couplet, and the next one may be completely different. Okay, different.
So there's no link between them. So not expected.
Yeah. So it says, मैं खौफे तन्हाई सफर में सफर भूल गया. Your attention please, Pailalit. मैं खौफे तन्हाई सफर में सफर भूल गया. मुसाफिर
ये सफर में
सफर भूल गया. मुसाफिर सोचता रहा और ज़्यादा सफर भूल गया. So I was so afraid of the loneliness of journey, that I'm so lonely in my journey that I forgot my journey. Instead of making arrangements and creating necessary things which will help me in my journey, I just sat down and started thinking about my loneliness journey. So what happened as a result, actually I forgot my journey, what my journey really was. So मैं खौफ़े तन्हाई सफ़र में सफ़र भूल गया. मुसाफिर सोचता रहा और ज़्यादा सफ़र भूल गया. और जो वादे आँखों से हुए उन्हें क्या सोचना. जो वादे आँखों से हुए उन्हें क्या सोचना. हलफ उठाए थे जिन पे वो वादे दिल भर भूल गया. So what shall I say about the promises we made with our gazes? When we look at each other without spoken words, we made some promises with our eyes. There's no point saying anything about those promises because there are other promises where both of us have taken oath, and my beloved have even forgotten those promises where we both took oath. So if she has forgotten those promises, why shall I complain about the promises which you made only with our eyes? Which makes sense, And then it says, एक खुशफहमी थी वरना वो कब मेरा था. एक खुशफहमी थी वरना वो कब मेरा था. मुश्किल में जो दोस्ती के साथ होना भूल गया. It was only my wishful thinking that she is my friend. Actually, she was never my friend. She was never my friend, but I thought she is my friend. She was never my friend. And then मेरी फरियादें उसके दरवाज़ों से लौटती रहीं. कभी मेरी फरियादें उसके दरवाज़ों से लौटती रहीं. तड़पता है अब जब मैं उसका घर भूल गया. There was a time when I used to cry in front of her. She never responded to those cries. She never felt my pain. She never responded to those things. Now I have moved on. Now I have moved on in my life. I've gone to the next phase. And now she is crying for me. What's the point? I have moved on. So if she is crying now, so let her be.
Too late.
So too late. कभी मेरी फरियादें उसके दरवाजों से लौटती रहीं. तड़पता है अब जब मैं उसका घर भूल गया. और listen, कितना पूजता था कभी अपनी अना को वो शख्स. कितना पूजता था कभी अपनी अना को वो शख्स जो अब अपनी जात का सारा फखर भूल गया. जो अब अपनी जात का सारा फखर भूल गया. There was a time that person was so
Full of ego. Worshipping her ego.
And everything.
Proud of her ego.
But now she has lost all the proud.
You can say vanity as well. Vanity. He had vanity.
Right.
She had one.
She had vanity.
That person.
Yeah, that person. So next one, and I would say that this is I like this most in whole of this verse. It says, इतना हुनर था उसकी, इतना हुनर था उसकी मासूमियत की फनकारी में, इतना होश, क्या बोले, इतना हुनर था उसकी मासूमियत की फनकारी में, मैं सब लफ्ज दलीलें गुफ्तगू के जौहर बोल गया. How skillfully she acted her innocence. She wasn't innocent, but how skillfully she acted her innocence. Innocence. Yeah. That I lost all my words, all my arguments. I've forgotten all how to speak, how to respond, because she acted her innocence so skillfully that I have no words to how to defend myself. I lost. So इतना हुनर था उसकी मासूमियत की फनकारी में. I lost.
She's in politics.
मैं सब लफ्ज़ दलीलें गुफ्तगू के जौहर भूल गया. And in the end it says, फारूक पहले उसका चेहरा बोला फिर उसकी बातें. फारूक पहले उसका चेहरा बोला फिर उसकी बातें. अब उसके लिए लिखा अपना एक शेर बोल गया. So Farooq, first I forgotten her face. It was vanished from my memory. Then all her talks and what she used to say to me, I forgot those things. And now I come to a stage where all my poetry, what I have written for her, I have even forgotten those.
Vanishing one by one.
Yeah, I have even forgotten that poetry as well.
Now you find out yourself. So your family will be flourishing.
She's not coming back. She's not coming back.
It's not coming back.
Now I don't desire that.
सितारे जो दमकते हैं, सितारे जो दमकते हैं किसी की चश्मे हैरा में.
अच्छा.
सितारे जो दमकते हैं किसी की चश्मे हैरा में. सितारे जो दमकते हैं किसी की चश्मे हैरा में. मुलाकातें जो होती हैं जमाले अब्रो बारा में. मुलाकातें जो होती हैं जमाले अब्रो बारा में. ये नाआबाद वक्तों में दिले नाशाद में होगी.
ये
नाआबाद वक्तों में, अनइनहिबिटेड टाइम्स, नाआबाद वक्तों में दिले नाशाद में होगी. मोहब्बत अब नहीं होगी ये कुछ दिन बाद में होगी. मोहब्बत अब नहीं होगी ये कुछ दिन बाद में होगी. गुजर जाएंगे जब ये दिन ये इनकी याद में होगी.
Wow, wow, yeah.
This is one of my favorite songs.
It's Munir Yazid one that is just
ट्रांसलेट करना बड़ा मुश्किल है, मैं नहीं कर सकूँगा.
More like Urdu.
yeah, to Persian with some Persian in
I don't understand more.
The essence is
You
like
understand
this.
more?
Yeah, not all. More words
Some
than
of them, yeah.
hearing.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a poem by very famous and great Urdu poet who recently died, and the essence is like this, that the surprise in your eyes and these romantic meetings up in the skies, it will lead to love, but not now. The love will happen later on, when the time has passed. It's like not seizing the moment. It's not seizing the moment. You are there but not seizing it. It's happening, the love is happening, but you are not seizing it. That's the essence.
There's a very short poem. Very short, and this is called Azad Nazam. Azad Nazam. It's not like
No discipline.
not very disciplined when
Anarchist.
Not structured.
no, not structured.
You know, you have structure for
Anarchist poet.
and it's not structured.
Yeah.
Free of rhyme and
This is a free word.
Please
Free verse.
try to imagine it the way I see it, and when I wrote, and again it's very old, I don't have exact date here, but it's in 90s,
Okay. Before you met her.
Well, That's a long story. Yeah. अब खला में तकते तकते, अब खला में तकते तकते मेरी आंखों में पानी भर आता है। अब खला में तकते तकते मेरी आंखों में पानी भर आता है। कोई तस्वीर नहीं बनती, कोई चेहरा नहीं मुस्कुराता। What does it mean? That I keep staring up in sky.
In the space.
In space.
In the space, I keep staring.
It's your dream.
I keep staring.
You already saw my dream long ago.
I keep staring in space, and I get to a stage where I get water in my eyes. You know, it's not crying. I'm not crying.
But
It's just
staring in the
because
space,
I kept
yeah.
staring so intensely up in the sky that I get watery eyes, and I can't make any picture.
No.
You know, and I can't see any smiling face. If you know what I mean, yeah. Up, you know, up. So I keep staring up in the sky so intensely. I get my water in my eyes. Nobody's, you know. So it's like a moment of pessimism. You know, when you feel like of course.
How do you say in your language sky?
Asman.
Asman, yeah?
Shman. In our Shman. Shman. In Asmari
We call Asman or Gök?
Google. Google jadiya.
Gogan.
Gagan.
We also say Asman.
Gogan.
Also
I don't know.
Gosh.
I don't know whether you are
Asman.
interested in this or not.
Gosh.
There are so many ghazal about Asman. It's
Yeah.
everything one.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you will be interested, you're interested in listening this or not, but if you are still, participating in this, I can.
Only if you buy us beer.
Right. Right. It says, Satcha Sach. You know, truth. This is the
Right.
title. Satcha Sach. Again, it's unstructured. There's no, you will not find rhythm in it, but it's about the message, it's not about the rhythm. He said, मुझे सच का सबक पढ़ाकर, उम्मीदों की मसनद पर बिठाकर, इज़न हुआ सच बोलो. So they taught me how to speak truth. They taught me about the truth and all those things, yeah. And then they, उम्मीदों की मसनद पर बिठाकर, they have some.
Put me on the.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਨਜ਼ਮ ਸੁਣਾ ਦਿਓ ਉਹਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਤਾਸੁਰ ਖਰਾਬ
Yeah,
ਹੁੰਦਾ
yeah.
Right, okay.
ਨਜ਼ਮ ਸੁਣਾ ਦਿਓ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ
Engage
Nana to छोड़ना पड़ा.
Right. मुझे सच का सबक पढ़ाकर, उम्मीदों की मसनद पर बिठाकर, इज़न हुआ सच बोलो. फिर मेरी ज़ुबान से सच सुनकर कई आंखें सुर्ख हुई, कई जबीनों पे शिकने उभरी, कई लबों पे बुड़बुड़ाहटें आई. सब मिलकर मुझे पढ़ा रहे हैं अब सच्चा सच. सब मिलकर पढ़ा रहे हैं मुझे अब सच्चा सच.
You are reading this today.
हर किसी का अपना सच, सच पर मसलूब, चुप पर मातूब, सच पर मसलूब एंड चुप पर मातूब, बोलने पर मजबूर लेकिन सच्चा सच, जो सबको पसंद हो ऐसा सच. भला कैसा सच? हर किसी के सामने उसकी पसंद का सच, हर किसी के सामने उसकी पसंद का सच. लेकिन मेरे लिए शायद मुमकिन नहीं बोलना इतना घटिया सच. तो मेरे लिए मुमकिन नहीं बोलना इतना
ऐसा
घटिया सच.
गठिया की जगह तो ऐसा लिख. गठिया खिल दे.
I mean,
You wrote about last night then.
no.
सारे दिनों से खदाब.
ऐसा सच है. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. This looks like he has written it today after the last 3 years.
But the thing is, I have been, we all been through the, experiences in our lives. And
Evolution.
This was written actually, if I have
Last
read
night,
here.
after 12.
No, it's,
But he had similar experiences before, so no hope.
no, it's not similar experiences, but yeah, I mean, we go through in our, various stages in our life, and you just experiencing that you're writing. So about the book, but it's February 1994. February 1994.
Makbul Bhatt is our Che Guevara. Hanged by India.
84.
By India.
This poem was written in 94.
After 10 years.
After 10 years. And it's about him.
Go on.
It says that Mujahid-e-Azam, what's the title? Mujahid-e-Azam,
The great martyr.
the greatest martyr. The greatest martyr. Okay.
No, sorry, not Mujahid. Mujahid-e-Azam is not great martyr.
The great freedom fighter.
Great fighter.
Fighter, yeah.
Great
Greatest
fighter.
fighter.
That's what I understand.
Yeah. It says that "Ay Mujahid-e-Azam, Azadi ke Qaid-e-Azam." No, I need to. Now I realize I need to change some wording because that time maybe. But "Ay Mujahid-e-Azam, Azadi ke Qaid-e-Azam, जरा उकबा की जन्नत से उतर के इधर आ, जरा उकबा की जन्नत से उतर के इधर आ तुझे जलती हुई जन्नत अर्जी की जरा मुख्तलिफ जाविये से एक तस्वीर दिखाऊं। वो देख 12 मिलियन मकबूल भट्ट, वो देख 12 मिलियन मकबूल
Can you
भट्ट।
start again there,
ऐ मुजाहिद-ए-आज़म,
Yeah.
आज़ादी के कायदे-आज़म, ज़रा उकबा की जन्नत से उतर के इधर आ तुझे जलती हुई जन्नत अर्ज़ी की ज़रा मुख्तलिफ ज़ाविये से एक तस्वीर दिखाऊं। वो देख 12 मिलियन मकबूल भट्ट जो कटहरों में खड़े जुल्म, जहालत, इस्तेहसाल, दौलत पसंदी और फरसुदगी के खिलाफ बगावत के नारे लगा रहे हैं। और देख छलनी बदल लिए अंगारों पे चलते खूनी कंट्रोल लाइन मसल रहे हैं। It is about
Put it down, don't spoil it.
खुनैन छलनी बदल लिए अंगारों पे चलते खुनैन कंट्रोल लाइन मसल कर रहे हैं। और ज़रा इधर आ, और ज़रा इधर देख पूरी वादी तिहाड़ बनी हुई है। और ज़रा इधर देख पूरी वादी तिहाड़ बनी हुई है। गले में फंदे हैं और ज़बानों पे आज़ादी आज़ादी के नारे। मेरे महबूब मेरे प्यारे 12 मिलियन मकबूल भट्ट मुबारक हो। So I'm saying to him that you are not only one person, no. You have been hanged, although you have been hanged, but 12 million people, each and everyone has become the same person, like the same thought that you are. So,
Did you join Europe in this guerrilla group of achievement?
not as a fighter, but
This is your support for them.
I always, been.
But is a student,